Welcome you all. Today we are going to see some of the important multiple choice questions in testing concept in software engineering which are frequently asked in competitive exams. Let us see the first question. Software reliability is defined with respect to the options are time, speed, quality, none of these. The correct option is time. The second question. Software mistakes during coding are known as. The options are failures, defects, bugs, errors. The correct option is bugs. Third option. Next question. Which one is not the verification activity? In software engineering testing concept, there are two functionalities, verification and validation. Let us see the options. Reviews, path testing, walkthrough, acceptance testing. Here, which one is not the verification activity? Acceptance testing is not the verification activity. So the correct option is D. Next question. Alpha testing is done by. The options are customer, tester, developer, all of the above. The correct option is tester. Second option. Next question. Test suite is. The options are set of test cases, set of inputs, set of outputs, none of the above. The correct answer is first one, set of test cases. Next question. When does the testing process stops? Options are when resources, what are the resources, time and budget are over. The second option, when some coverage is reached. Third option, when quality criterion is reached. Fourth option, testing never ends. From the options we can understand the main thing, quality. So the correct answer is third option, when quality criterion is reached. Next question. Which of the following is not a part of a text design document? The options are test plan, test design specification, test case specification, test log. The correct option is test log, because the test log is not comes under the test design document. Next question. Which of the following term describes testing? The options are finding broken code, evaluating deliverable to find errors, a stage of all projects, none of the mentioned. The correct option is B. The second option, evaluating deliverable to find errors. Next question. What is cyclomatic complexity? The options are black box testing, white box testing, yellow box testing, green box testing. The correct option is second one, white box testing. Next question. Maintenance testing is performed using which methodologies? The options are first one, retesting, sanity testing, breath test and depth test, confirmation testing. The correct option is third one, C, breath test and depth test. Next question. White box techniques are also classified as. The options are design based testing, structural testing, error guessing technique, none of the mentioned. The correct option is structural testing, because white box testing is also called as structural testing. Next question. Exhaustive testing is. The options are always possible, practically possible, impractical but possible, impractical and possible. The correct option is third one, impractical but possible. Next question. Which granularity level of testing checks the behavior of module cooperation? The options of unit testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, recursion testing. More than one modules combine to form the outputs only in integration testing. So the correct option is integration testing, second one. Next question. Which test refers to the retesting of a unit, integration and system after modification in order to ascertain that the change has not introduced new faults? The options are recursion test, smoke test, alpha test, beta test. The correct option is recursion test. Next question. Which of the following is a black box testing strategy? The options are all statements coverage, control structure coverage, cause effect graphs, all pass coverage. The correct option is third one, cause effect graphs. Next question. A set of inputs, execution preconditions and expected outcomes is known as a. The options are test plan, test case, test document, test suite. The correct option is test case. Test case plays a vital role in testing process. Next question. In which test design each input is tested at both ends of its valid range and just outside its valid range? The options are boundary value testing, equivalence class partitioning. Third option, boundary value testing and equivalence class partitioning. Fourth one, decision tables. The correct option is the first one, boundary value testing. Next question. During security testing, the tester plays the role of the individual who desires to. The options are penetrates the system, penetrates the listener, both A and B, none of the above. The correct option is first one, penetrates the system. Next question. Which box specifies the behavior of a system or a part of a system? The options are state box, clear box, black box, none of the above. The correct option is third one, black box. Next question. Which is not a SQA activity? The options are black box testing, white box testing, integration testing, unit testing. SQA is an acronym for Software Quality Assurance. Black box testing, white box testing, integration testing are the activities of SQA. So the correct option is unit testing. Unit testing is not a SQA activity. So the correct option is last one, unit testing.